it's I got an opportunity to make a report for Medrug Hospital. Basically, this is a Medrug pharmacy situated in Medrug Hospital. So he want us to make a report on the drugs, the prescription-based drugs which are selling highest in the USA market. So Medrug Pharmacy has made an report to make an insight for Medrug Hospital. So this report contains introduction, process involved, visual graphs, and insight reports. So introduction of Medrug Pharmacy and Medrug Hospital. Medrug is a retail pharmacy store owned by Medrug Hospital. Is located in the Boston City, Massachusetts, USA. Medrug Hospital is a cardiovascular disease specialty hospital. The Medrug Hospital is looking for expansion of business to build a multi-specialty hospital. The Medrug Hospital want a report from Medrug Pharmacy Store to analyze the performance of prescribed drug sale in the country. The analysis will be based on the prescription drugs, sales and treatment. So Medrug Pharmacy Store is also involved in the retailing of prescription drugs, over-the-counter drugs, small-scale medical equipment, and providing general health services to the customers. So for making this report, the process involved, we have collected the raw data, then make it to structured data, then we have pre-processed the data, then exploration of data, that exploration data analysis through SQL, then we make a insight report for Medrug Hospital. So the raw data collected from clinical drug stats database. In data collection process, we have gathered and measured information on yearly basis written prescriptions and sales of drugs in USA. The top 100 prescription-based selling drugs are considered for analysis. The drugs used for treatment and the manufacturer of the drug are mainly focused to give an insight to Medrug Hospital. So we have collected 100 prescription-based selling drugs from USA. So structured data, I have show you the data we have collected. So this is the data we have collected from CleanCar, and we have made this one as a structured data. So in data pre-processing, we have cleaned the data. The data get make an integration of the data reduction, data transformation. This process involved in this process. So in data cleaning, we have removed the outliers, replacing missing values, smoothing, noising data, and correcting inconsistent data. In data integration, data is physically brought together to one data store or data warehousing, that is called. Representing of the data set which is smaller in volume, which maintaining the integrity of original data. So this is the main data. Then we make them separated by year-wise basis, that is 2019, 2018, 2017 accordingly, and make a dashboard for them that which drug is selling the most, the total sales, total prescription. In each and every year, we have make a slicer and dashboard for each and every data. So here we have used SQL for data analysis. Through SQL Server, the initial investigation on data so as to discover patterns to check assumptions with the help of summary statistics and graphical representation. Different SQL queries used to analyze the data to provide insights. So SQL server by putting different variety of queries, we gathered the data in yearly wise basis and combine the data for graphical representation. So for insight, first we have put some questions. So what type of insights required? For example, what is the most overprescribed drug? What drug sells the most? What is the most commonly prescribed drug? which manufacturer produces the most prescribed drug, what are the most common diseases. In insight reports, it enables decision makers to see analytics presented visually. For analysis in a visual way, graphs are displayed which make it easier to understand. So these are the insight reports. What is the highest selling drug? From data, it is observed that the top sell drug in 2016, 17, 18 and 19, the Crestor for cardiovascular treatment, disease treatment, the drug is sold the most. So what is the most common disease in USA for the last 4 years? So it is observed that type 1 and type 2 diabetes is the most common disease for which prescription is written highly. So the manufacturer, who is the highest sell by the manufacturer? The AstraZeneca is the company, the pharmaceutical company who manufacture the mostly the selling drugs. So again, for MedDrug Pharmacy, we have make a report to observe the as the MedDrug Hospital is only cardiovascular specialty hospital. What are the drug sells the most? In year-wise sales report, it is observed that the 5 drugs sells most, but in consistent manner. There is no consistency in the selling of the drugs. Again, it is observed that in USA for diabetes mellitus, the drugs sell, the 8 drugs sell are in consistent manner, and as the disease is commonly observed in USA, the drugs are sold in a consistent manner. So this is the year-wise sale report of diabetes for drugs for diabetes mellitus. So insight from the reports, Crestor is the highest selling drug due to its high price. So we can use generic medicine rather than Crestor. Rosuvastatin is the generic medicine which is which can be used rather than Crestor in market. So this is an insight for the MedDrug Hospital. Sorry. Every year, highest prescription written for diabetes mellitus in USA. So it is an eye opening for MedDrug Hospital that if he is going for multi-specialty hospital, so diabetes mellitus is a option for him. So AstraZeneca is the manufacturer who is the selling highest product every year. So it can make a deal with AstraZeneca to start the business with diabetes mellitus. So we have seen that inconsistency in product sale for cardiovascular drugs. So we have to prioritize the diabetes mellitus in our multi-specialty hospital so that the products were sold in a consistent manner. For future expansion of multi-specialty hospital, diabetes mellitus is recommended for MedDrug Hospital. So thank you everybody. This is just small present from my